So we're going to make incisions on either side of the legs. That's going to help us to open up the abdomen. We then now are going to be preparing for our descent into the abdominal cavity. So we're going to actually pull the intestines off to the side. And when we do that, we're going to see that there's going to be a protrusion right in here. Let me get out a little bit more of that fluid. So we can see this structure that's going to be the kidney. And there we see it. It's a bump. And it's not well visualized because of the fact that it has a membrane around it. This membrane is called the peritoneum. We say that the kidney is going to be retroperitoneal. In other words, behind the peritoneum. You can see that if there was an infection from, let's say, a burst colon or a ulcer in the small intestine or an ulcer in the stomach, you might get bacteria in the abdominal cavity. Because the kidneys are retroperitoneal, they would be protected from such an infection. So what we want to do now is just basically cut through the peritoneum so that we can show that indeed the kidneys are retroperitoneal. So we just take our scalpel, and actually we could just take our finger and just pierce the peritoneum, or we could use a scalpel as well, either one. And as we do that, we see that indeed the kidney is right behind there and being protected, as we said. And so what we can do now is actually dissect the kidney out. We see now it's clearly a kidney. And we can easily just take that kidney out and just cut through the hilus. And there now we have the pig kidney.